Welcome to Elias Stories. In life, we all face problems, big or small, that seem overwhelming. But every storm we endure shapes us into who we're meant to be. Today's story will take you on a journey of resilience and hope as we explore how one man overcame the challenges of life. Stay tuned till the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Elias Stories for more inspiring tales. Armin was a humble farmer who lived a simple life with his wife and 2 children in a peaceful village. Every morning, he tended to his crops and took joy in the small, beautiful moments of life. But life, like the weather, doesn't stay calm forever. One day, dark clouds gathered over the village. A terrible storm destroyed Armin's crops, leaving his family with no food or income. To make things worse, his youngest child fell seriously ill. Armin felt the weight of the world on his shoulders. "Why is this happening to us?" he asked, feeling helpless. Desperate to save his family, Armin sought help from the village elders, but they too were struggling. He realized that waiting for someone to rescue him wouldn't solve his problems. "I must face this storm myself," he resolved. Armin began rebuilding his life. He worked tirelessly to clear the debris from his fields and planted new seeds. He sold handmade tools in the market to earn money for his child's treatment. Slowly, with unwavering determination, he began to see the fruits of his labor. Armin wasn't alone in his fight. His wife supported him every step of the way, helping him at the market and taking care of their children. His neighbors, inspired by his determination, also pitched in. Together, they proved that no problem is insurmountable when faced with love and unity. Months later, the seeds Armin planted grew into a bountiful harvest. His child recovered, and his family thrived once again. The storm had tested him, but it also taught him a powerful lesson. Problems are inevitable, but how we face them defines who we are. Thank you for watching Elias Stories. Life's problems may seem overwhelming, but remember, every storm brings the chance for growth and strength. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Elias Stories. Together, let's spread positivity and hope. See you in the next story.